Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demo of face recognition based online attendance system. It will be an automatic attendance system for schools, colleges, or even for the offices. And the system will also calculate the average attendance at the end. So you can calculate the average attendance for the month. So once the system is started, so the students or the employees who are coming in front of the camera, their attendance will be all automatically marked, and even if he comes for the second time in front of the camera, then the attendance will not be marked again. So once the attendance is marked second time, that face will not be considered for marking the attendance. But this way, the student will come in front of the camera and their attendance will be marked automatically, and at the end of the day their attendance will be stored in some CSV file, and at the end, even if you want to calculate the average attendance for a month, then that can be calculated. So for the implementation purpose, we are using the face recognition technology and Python as a programming language. Also, we are talking about the front end development using HTML and CSS, and at the backend side we are using SQLite database as well. So once the project is running, so you have to log in. So there are two types of login. First of all, admin login, so that is using the admin, and also the teacher can also log in. So admin can start the system or admin can register the new user. For example, now this is the admin's login. So if the admin wants to register a new student, then he will click on the register, so automatically the camera will start. Then the admin will have to put the class, roll number, and the sitting position in the class, because whenever the student will come in front of the camera, its attendance will be marked, and also the all these details will be shown on the camera, and also the sitting position will be displayed to the student so that he can understand where he has to sit. So that is the basically this way the user or the admin can uh, add the users or the students in the system. And once the student is added, then the admin can start the system. Now I have already added my face, so I can directly click on start the system. Once I click on start the system, it will start recording the video, and now it is recognizing me. It's roll number one, the name, the class, and the sitting position as well. Okay, so you can see here it is showing the sitting position also. This is the position A4. So this way, actually, it's going to display the sitting position and all these parameters on the screen, and user can, and this attendance is getting marked. So even if I am standing here for a long time, but attendance will be marked only for once. And once I click on stop the system, then the it will store my attendance in some CSV sheet. And if I want to see that thing, then I can click on average attendance. And in this case, now this roll number one, that's my roll number, its attendance is marked. For other roll numbers it is 000, because they were not present for this day. And that's why the average of, so if I'm doing this for 10 times, 20 times, then if the it will be calculated like this, it will be adding the sheets again and again on, and their attendance will be marked here. And for the average attendance, it is the average of number of entries here. So now every day there will be new entry. Every time I do this, it will be having new entry, because as of now I'm doing this today. So if I log in tomorrow, then there will be one more line, the one more date, and then there will be values, and then its average attendance will be calculated. So this way the average attendance is calculated. And there is also the system for the teacher. The teacher can also see this attendance, so by the teacher's login. So if the teacher logins with his credentials, then teacher can only see the average attendance or the attendance. So if I click here, then the teacher can see the attendance over here. So this way the teacher can visualize the attendance of the day. And for now we are just considering 20 number of students in the class, but that can be increased. So that's the complete implementation of this project. In case you need any kind of support or code for this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.